Hi, so today we are going to do this problem, room cleaning problem. So some of my students requested me to solve this problem, and I have solved another problem related to game theory, that is Nash bargaining. So let's see what the problem is. So there are two players, basically there are two roommates uh, who choose the efforts, that is E1, E2, to spend the apartment cleaning. They get utility from cleanliness of the apartment, which is the function of sum of efforts, and disutility from the efforts they personally expend. So you can clearly see this is the utility function for first person. First person gets the utility uh, uh, from the room cleaning, that is E1 plus E2. If the room is cleaned, then first person gets some payoff function minus some cost, that is the effort done by first person, that is E1. Okay, similarly second person has the same utility function, but this does not have this constant k. So it is given that E1 E2 is non-negative and k is strictly greater than 1. So question asks that find the two players best response function, and then if you find it, then find the pure strategy Nash equilibrium. And just do one comment that how does the equilibrium distribution of the effort reflect the differences in the players' tastes. Okay, let's see the solution is. So first of all, I want to pick this utility function and I want to see where the utility is maximized. So this is the utility function for first person, so I want to see the margin utility in terms of E1. So I find this margin utility, simply differentiate partially with respect to E1, keeping E2 as a constant, then you will get this equation. Do the same exercise for second person's utility, you'll get this margin utility. So now I'm taking these margin utilities to derive the best response function for player 1 and player 2. So I picked these margin utilities there. Now let's see what's the best response for first person. So we know that best response of first person is a function of second person efforts, that is E2. So now we need to think. So if you do some problems of microeconomics or some any other problem relating to economics, try to uh, divide into pieces and then analyze and then approach to the solution. This is the this is very lucid approach to understand the problem. Okay, so if think that if E2 is greater than K, or if E2 is equal to K or greater than equal to K, then what will happen? Suppose E2 is greater than K, something like 2K. Now, if E2 is greater than K, suppose we picked that E2 is 2K, then this whole value becomes less than 1, irrespective of the value of E1. So that means whatever person 1 chooses his efforts E1, he will always get a negative marginal utility. So it's better to have not to choose any effort. So basically E1 should be 0 here, because if because this whole value is less than 1, so he'll get a negative payoff. So it's better to choose 0 effort. So we can say that E2 is greater than equal to A, then E1 best response for first person is 0. Now think upon in this way, E2 is less than K. If E2 is less than K, then suppose my utility curve is just like this, and I want to maximize my utility at this point. We can clearly see that my utility is maximizing this point. So what does this represents? This represents the slope of a utility curve is 0 at that point. The slope means marginal utility. So basically what I'm telling you now, if marginal utility is 0, then my total utility curve is maximized. Like this is suppose marginal utility, this is mu curve, and this is 0 at this point. So this is my total utility Tu, okay, and this is my marginal utility curve. with respect to Q. So I want to choose that level of effort which makes this margin ready 0. So suppose if E2 is less than K, then I should choose uh, K minus E2, which adds to E2. Then E2 gets cancelled out and I'll get 1 minus 1, that is 0. So this is my best response. So I should choose K minus E2 if E2 is less than 1. So this is my best response. So see, we can see this problem is symmetric. Second person has only 1 here rather than K, so we can just substituted 1 in place of K, so we derive best response for second person also. Now we'll plot the best response functions. So I picked E2 so I picked E2 and E1 there on the x-axis and y-axis. Then we'll see what the graph is. So let's pick this best response function. Now to plot these functions, we need to have a cutoff point, that is K and 1. So in the question it is clearly given that K is strictly greater than 1. So if this is K, then 1 has to be there, like on the blue. So this is K1. I picked up these points. So what if E2 is greater than K or greater than or equal to K? So E2 is greater than or equal to K lies in this range. You can see in this range. So E1 is equal to 0 and in this range. So E1 is there, but E1 is 0 on the y-axis. So basically this is the point. This is the axis. This is the line. So we can clearly see this red line, or you can see orange line is the best response of first person if E2 is greater than or equal to K. What if E2 is less than K? So E2 is less than K in this range. So then E1 is equal to K minus E2. So you can say E1 plus E2 is equal to K, which has one slope. So that means this is a straight line. So we can say this. So this is the best response function 1 for first person. Now clearly since the problem is symmetric, you can draw this very simply. Okay, so do the same exercise for second person also. You will get best response for second person. Okay, so now we need to look at where these best responses are intersecting. So you can see this is the point where these best responses are intersecting. So this is our Nash equilibrium. So Nash equilibrium is nothing but K comma 0. So we can write this in a set form. So Nash equilibrium E1 comma E2 belongs to R2 plus such that E1 is equal to K, E2 is equal to 0. Which tells you that first person is more hygienic as compared to second person. Second person does not bother about whether the room is clean or not, but first person is very hygienic, so he wants to clean the room. That's the difference in their taste. This is the solution. I hope you find it easy. And if you want me to solve any other problem, then you can request me any other problem in a comment section. I'll try my best to do that problem. And all the best. Thank you.